Hey everyone, this week for this video we're going to start doing things a little different. Channel's getting a little more popular. I think I've got 330,000 views on my main collection. I've got close to 2,700 subscribers. That means I've been buying more cars. And with more cars, I'm a little backed up, so I'm going to review 2 cars at a time that are very similar. This week we've got Mustangs. Mustang number 1 is a 1968 Shelby GT500 KR. This is by Acme. This is real good old-fashioned die-cast, nice and heavy. Opening parts, nice carpet interior, simulated seat belts. The seats fold forward. Decent paint. The gaps are kind of big. This is pretty old tooling from what I remember. This is probably Lane or another brand's tooling originally. It does have dog legs. This probably retailed for about $129, but this was Amazon Prime $39.99 free shipping. So this is got very nice engine detail, and that's a lot of die-cast for that amount of money. We do have an open grill, which is nice. Trunk opens. Very nice detailed markings and decals. This is numbered. This is one of, I think, 996, they said. Pretty happy with it, especially at that price. In terms of packaging, nothing too exciting. At least there's artwork on the box. Typical styro clamshell on the inside. Car number 2, nice contrast, is a modern resin Mustang. I think this generation is, the platform code is S550. This generation Mustang came out in 2015. This is the first refresh, which was for 2018. Really like the color. The window, as I always watch on GT Spirits and Autos, the window bubble, not too bad on this one. If you look for that, that's usually the worst. It's pretty good here. Paintwork overall is very good. No real QC issues. Again, you have a, let's see, is that an open grill? I think it's an open grill. Kind of hard to make out if that's properly open. But overall, love the color, love the subject matter. Have to decide if I need to own the Bullet, which is almost the identical car with different wheels and a different paint job, but I collect the Bullets. This is 511 out of 999 made. This one, oh, it's actually a 2019, but this buy style came out in 2018. And this I got for, I think, $69.99 free shipping on eBay, when this retails for about $129. So 2 good Mustang scores. Keep tuning in. I'll do another couple cars. I've got 2 similar BMWs and I've got 2 similar Cadillacs. So do me a favor and spread my name around. The more likes, the more subscriptions, the more cars I keep on buying. So tune in, like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.